Dave app repayment failures usually happen when your linked bank account doesn't have enough funds, your debit card is expired or blocked, or Dave can't successfully pull the payment because your bank is rejecting the transaction. By the end of this, you'll know exactly why your Dave repayment failed and how to fix it so your account doesn't stay overdue. Start with how Dave repayment works. Dave automatically pulls repayment from your linked debit card or bank account when your next deposit arrives. There's no separate manual payment process in most cases. Now, check your available funds. If your account doesn't have enough money when Dave attempts repayment, the transaction fails immediately. Even a small shortfall can stop the payment from going through. Next, look at your linked debit card. If your card is expired, replaced, or deactivated, Dave cannot complete the repayment. The app may still show your account is connected, but the bank will reject the withdrawal. Now, check bank side declines. Some banks automatically block recurring or cash advance related debits. That means Dave tries to collect payment, but the bank stops it before it completes. Next, look at timing of deposits. Dave often waits for your next qualifying deposit before initiating repayment. If your paycheck hasn't posted yet, repayment will not trigger. Now, check pending transactions. If other charges are processing at the same time, your incoming funds may be applied to those first. That can leave your Dave balance unpaid even after a deposit arrives. Next, consider account restrictions. If Dave detects unusual activity or a mismatch in your account details, it can temporarily pause repayment attempts for security reasons. Now look at app syncing issues. Sometimes repayment actually succeeds, but the app doesn't update right away. Refreshing the app or checking again later can show the correct balance. Finally, understand the system. Dave repayment is automatic and event-based. It triggers when eligible funds are available, then attempts to pull payment through your linked method until it succeeds. To sum it up, Dave app repayment failures usually come from three things: not enough available funds at the time of withdrawal, blocked or expired payment methods, or delays caused by deposit timing and pending transactions. Next step is simple. Verify your linked card is active. Wait for your next deposit to fully clear, and make sure no pending transactions are using up your balance before Dave retries repayment. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Dave app fixes, cash advance tips, and simple breakdowns that help you avoid repayment issues in the future.